right, so the tools you'll need are either a drill or a screwdriver. You'll need a T10 bit for the top two screws, and then this is a T20 bit for the two bottom screws. So to take this off, we'll start taking these two bottom ones out. That will just pull out like that. You switch your bit out to the T10 Torx bit. There's two screws here, one here, one here. Just take those out. All right. So then this one has plastic buttons in here. The easiest way is maybe with a little flathead or something similar to this. You can get behind here and just pop them out. You hear it pop. For the other side. Just kind of work that top up all the way through. And then you'll want to push this out. Straight out to get out of that plastic, that metal clip, and then you're going to pull straight up. That's how you remove the back. Okay, so now to put it back on, make sure that there's no fabric covering these plastic clips here. If there is, you can just use some scissors or something to cut them. So on the back you have these two tabs. There's a tab here and a tab here. These have to slide into this. So that's the first thing you're gonna do. Is take your back, slide those two tabs in. Just like that. You can kind of just push on the back to make sure they're in. Then what you're gonna do, this lip has to sit inside this metal clip. So what I do is I just put a little pressure on it, go like that, and then come back in with it. And then that's in. You can tell, because if you push up, it's not going to come out. So this whole plastic piece needs to sit inside here. Next thing you're going to do is just take this, and you're going to hear these tabs click. Like that. So now your top piece is back in. Now we can put our screws back in. So the two little screws, we're going to go back in the top. Don't tighten them down too much because it's just plastic. So just a little bit. Next, we'll put our two big screws in. Sometimes it's easier just to get them started by hand. You can take your drill. Don't tighten those ones down too much, just enough so they're in there. Same thing with this side. Sometimes it's easier to get it started by hand.